Dear beloved brothers and sisters, today, I stand before you to reveal the profound truth about Islam, a truth that transcends the misconceptions and stereotypes that have shrouded our faith for far too long. Prepare your hearts, for what you are about to discover may move you to tears, may awaken your spirits, and may forever change the way you perceive Islam. Islam, at its core, is a religion of compassion, mercy, and love. Yet, it is often misunderstood, misrepresented, and maligned in the eyes of the world. But let me tell you, my dear brothers and sisters, the truth about Islam is far more beautiful and awe-inspiring than any falsehoods that may seek to tarnish its image. Reflect, for a moment, on the words of Rumi, the renowned Sufi poet, who said, "The wound is the place where the light enters you." Islam teaches us that even in our darkest moments, there is light, there is hope, there is redemption. It is in our struggles, our hardships, our pain, that we find the true essence of our faith. Consider the story of Maryam, Mary, the mother of Jesus, peace be upon him, who, despite facing immense societal pressure and ridicule, remained steadfast in her devotion to Allah. Her unwavering faith and resilience serve as a testament to the strength and courage that Islam instills in its followers. But perhaps the most profound truth about Islam lies in its message of unity and brotherhood. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The believers in their mutual kindness, compassion, and sympathy are just like one body. When one part of the body suffers, the whole body feels pain." This profound statement encapsulates the essence of Islam, that we are all interconnected, that we are all part of a greater whole. My dear brothers and sisters, let us not be swayed by the falsehoods and propaganda that seek to divide us. Let us rise above the hate and bigotry, and embrace the true spirit of Islam, a spirit of love, compassion, and unity. In the words of great personality, the courageous young activist who defied the forces of oppression, when the whole world is silent, even one voice becomes powerful. Let us raise our voices in defense of our faith, in defense of the truth, and in defense of Islam. And so, I leave you with the words of the Quran, "Verily, with hardship, there is relief." May Allah grant us the strength to overcome our challenges, the wisdom to discern truth from falsehood, and the courage to stand up for what is right. May peace and blessings be upon you all.